that tune, yeah. Listen to that.
Yes, crew, I'm here with Marlon. He's just bought another box of discs. Look, we've got this down here, and we're just literally just loaded up one disc, yeah, which is like Slow Jams, right? Disc 2. And I think this is the missing disc because I've got all the other bits for it, right? So I'm going to load up the Amiga and we're going to see what we get from it, man. Let's see what's going on. So guys, I think we got the missing disc for Slow Jam. I think that's a wrap now. Let me just give it a quick play. Is it Amiga and P? No? Okay, that's rubbish. Hold on. Did that really well. What, to start the song? Or is it this side? Is it Alt and P?
I remember now.
What about that one? I swear it was that and that. Or is it that and that? That is that a different one?
2 Amiga keys and that used to do restart the machine. I don't reckon this would go.
Shut up, print. I swear that was play, but I don't know, maybe it's on Octomode 4 it's play.
Putting most of us to sleep in the 90s.
That had loads of echo on it.
I said too many slow jams. And I want to know where's the beats for the mind and for the feet. Not the songs that's putting me to sleep.
Oh my days, man, look. Oh, I'm gonna have to record that now.
That's on. Is it Demon Boys?
Yeah, more likely that was a typical one. That was a sample break. They just rewound it when I played it and then sunk it up. Yeah, go on. There's not much MIDI on this, you know. It's only a sample at the start.
Yeah. Maybe the bass as well, isn't it?
Yeah, let's have a look. Go on. Go on.
Oh yeah, the bass ain't there.
Ah, okay. Was there a B line there? That'd be that was probably a moon bass. That can be fixed easy. Alright, so we got the bass back. We used the sine wave from Akai S3200. Go on. Alright, let's let that play now and see where it goes on.
Put most of us to sleep in the 90s.
Go on.
Too many. I said too many slow jams.
Wicked.
And I want to know where's the beats for the mind and for the feet. Not the songs that's putting me to sleep.
Straight from the core.
Yeah, that's it. Sampled, innit? Yeah, man.
The
That, all that had echo on the mixing desk. I think that's from the echo there. Go on. Yeah, man. Go on. Go on.
Yeah, I heard that. I don't recognise that part at all. It must be well learning it.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that, I don't recognise that.
That one's got loads of low end on it. Got that. Yeah, that had some echo in it and it's turned down quite low.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's quite sharp, isn't it?
That's it. Now that should be a remix tune.
Innit, yeah, for real, innit? Imagine him
That was a big. That was a big. I ain't touching that, man.
Nah.
That's a personal. I ain't touching that. That's too. That tune. That was a big thing for me.
Bloody hell, man! I'm gonna have to record that screen, man. The Mentasms, I think, was from the Akai.
The Mentasms killed it.
I think that would be a good idea. Just pack all the samples up and have a massive.
I would have a go. I would have a go, but I think I'd find it hard because I love the original so much.
Maybe we should just do a remix competition on the channel and see who comes out with what.
I know certain man would love to do it just because of the Mentasm.
Yeah, Akai, I think. Is that Akai? No, it's Amiga.
That's illegal, man.
That's bad.
This was the inspiration for me. With this tune here. When I saw how you was playing this out, I went, right, how can I do that but just the beat? Yeah. That was the start of the science.
Wow, man, some chaos what's going on in there, bro.
I like it. Some pixie going on.
Some rumbling going on there. Must be EQ'd out the bass, the low end.
Glad you found the part to slow down. Your brain's good then to remember that there was another there was the archive disc.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah, no problem. I mean, all it does, it just plays a beat, doesn't it? So you know something's missing on MIDI.
Yeah, but how did you know that was?
Because the vocal was missing, man.
You just knew that the first vocal was missing. So I would have thought the vocals were all on the Amiga.
Need some echoes now, innit? See, the thing is, I can't wire that through there because there's no point. Yeah, them echoes in it. Yeah, it's raw, isn't it?
Well, that's good though. It is raw form. Amiga.
Mad, isn't it? Look at that bass line how it's played in, like all them notes. Look. Oh. Look at that bass line, look. It's got about how many notes on it? I think I had a bit more attack on it. Completely wild, man.
No man, this is how it was, that's it.
Back in the day, innit?
That is, man.
I'm a everyday junglist.